Hey everybody, it's Cheryl. I'm doing a review for you of my Conair Yellow Bird blow dryer. I got this dryer yesterday and I wanted to try it out. Y'all know my hair is natural. I don't try to put too much heat on it, maybe once or twice a year. But I got this because the other little dryers I had, I didn't have the right pick attachment to go with them. And I didn't have the right pick attachment, so I ordered one that came with it. And then I remember these from back in the day. This dryer is so hot, y'all. You can hear our smoke detector has gone off. My room, you can't really see it, but it's smoking. But I just want to show you how hot it gets. So I'm putting some Garnier Fructis flat iron protection on here, and I'm just going to try to do this little portion right here. Okay, so here we go. It's going to get kind of loud, but you expect that with a dryer. So here we go. thing is hot. And y'all, I know I'm holding this at some awkward angles, but I think I'm gonna need a glove, a heat glove for this thing. But it sure got my hair straight. So there you go, guys. That is my review. I like it. Of the Conair 1875 watt Yellow Bird blow dryer. It comes with this comb attachment and a nozzle and a nozzle. It gets super hot, as you can see. It was really awkward for me to try to hold it. My room looks like somebody been in here smoking a lot of cigarettes, but it's my hair. And I can still feel the heat, you know, in my hair. But if you are looking for a good blow dryer, I suggest you go get you one of these. Now, I probably won't use this again till the summer. Or something, but that was fun. But you know, Kira and the girls might use it because we're all natural except for Lolly. Lolly got a perm. But we will be utilizing this bad boy for real. I got mine from Amazon for $37.95, and it is, I think it's worth it because I've had lots of little $20 blow dryers here and there, and look, there's a fire alarm going off again. And my hair ends up being real frizzy. So even my ends are straight, y'all. And that's a big problem for me, too. I've always had frizzy ends. So this is Cheryl reviewing the Conair Yellow Bird blow dryer. Get you one. You hear me? Get one.